All right, so let's refactor this a bit so we have some hover states and selected states so we know what we are looking at. To do that, what I'm going to do is, first off, is group this. This is going to be our item group, so we're going to have to take actually the action that was on it. This one, we're going to move it to the group. There's this one, yep. So now that we just keep the app working. So this is working. So now we have the group. And now we can color it in as we see fit. So I'm in the text. I need to go to the repeating group. No, this one. Right. So the whole thing is 240. I just want to add some little space on the sides. I'll put 20. And then this one here, I'll add 20, 10 and 10, so go to 44. We then need to center it horizontal, center vertically. We do the same for the text. Yeah, and I can't wait for you guys to get the new editor where all this kind of painting around and moving borders around disappears, but that's for another time. And what we're going to do here is, okay, so now we have that, and we're going to change the state based on something, right? So first is easy one. If this group is hovered, I want it to go to change the background style. I'll change the color and color. Let's do this. Let's use some colors from our good friends at Tailwind. Oh, no. Let me do this again. Oh, there we go. So we have the color there. That's going to be the color. So we're going to have to change this to a white. Let me just remove this tile, make it white. And I'll go back to the group. I'll add a bit of let's just use this group here. We'll add a bit of borders around this. So now we can see there, whenever it's hovered, it's dark green. And we can say also, when it's selected, and then we say, whenever this is selected, so whenever the index nav is the current sales nav, then we want the background style. We're going to have to do this twice here, background color, and we're going to make this, what are we going to do this? We're going to make it 800. So I just have on my, what that is going to be when it's selected, right? Yeah, let me just change this, because my idea is to have this a nice little purple to it. Okay, so I just need to make sure that I have the right ones selected. I think this one has to be on top. If I turn both of them on, it should be the other way around. Okay, so now just refactor that. Oh, I know this is not going to look good with this border. I don't need a border. Separator, none. So now, yeah, we don't have the hover states because it's a touch screen here. Let's all right, move this. Yeah, now. Hold up, this hover is not working. Why is that? Hold on, now it's working. So we have a nice little animation here. and it looks fantastic, looks nice and neat. Okay, I know the rest of the app looks terrible, but we're refactoring this little by little.